For over 300 years, humanity earned a reputation unlike any other civilization. They didn't possess the largest navy. They didn't control the richest empire. Instead, humans operated the Peace Fleet, thousands of white civilian starships that escorted merchant convoys through pirate territories, rescued damaged vessels, rebuilt destroyed jump gates, delivered emergency food, and negotiated peace between rival species. Every civilization benefited. No one questioned who paid for it. Then everything changed. A powerful imperial faction accused the Peace Fleet of secretly spying for Earth. Ignoring protests from neutral worlds, they attacked a convoy carrying diplomats, engineers, and humanitarian crews. The entire Peace Fleet was destroyed in a single, coordinated assault. The Empire celebrated what it believed was a political victory. Humanity did not declare war. There were no speeches. No fleets appeared. No retaliation came. Instead, every human vessel quietly returned home. At first, nothing seemed different. A week later, cargo shipments began arriving late. 2 weeks later, pirate attacks increased. A month later, broken jump gates remained unrepaired. Medical convoys vanished. Rescue beacons went unanswered. Food shortages spread across frontier colonies. Entire economies stalled as ancient trade corridors slowly failed. Only then did the galaxy discover the truth. Humanity had never controlled the trade routes. They had quietly maintained them. For centuries, human engineers had repaired invisible infrastructure, updated navigation networks, escorted dangerous passages, and responded to emergencies without asking for payment or recognition. The galaxy had mistaken invisible service for permanent stability. Now that service was gone. Worlds that had once supported the attack pleaded for humanity to return. But humanity made only one statement before closing every diplomatic channel. Peace cannot survive where those who protect it are treated as enemies. The galaxy finally understood that the greatest power humanity possessed was never its weapons. It was the trust that kept civilizations connected. And once that trust was broken, no fleet in the galaxy could replace it.